Hi everybody, it's Snow, and I'm going to be singing Listen to Your Heart by Cascada. This was requested. Don't know how good it's going to be, but here it goes. This is the techno version, by the way. I know there's something in the wake of your smile. I get emotion from the look in your eyes. Yeah, you built a love, but when love falls apart, a little piece of heaven turns to dark. Listen to your heart when it's calling for you. Listen to your heart. There's nothing else you can do. I don't know where you're going, and I don't know why. Listen to your heart before you tell him goodbye. I'm bored, sorry. Sometimes you wonder if this fight is worthwhile. The precious moments are all lost in our life. Yeah, they swept away. Nothing is what it seems. The feeling of belonging to your dream. When it's calling for you, listen to your heart. There's nothing else you can do. I don't know where you're going, and I don't know why. Listen to your heart before you tell him goodbye. And that is where I am going to stop because it's kind of getting annoying. I should have. Okay. But yeah, like, comment, whatever, request other songs, I guess. Do what you do. Yeah. Bye.